Mastering data preparation. Data preparers must hone up to resolving contradictions in their own messy data. Who is responsible for resolving inconsistencies or conflicts that arise from handling inconsistent or conflicting data during the data preparation process? During the data preparation process, resolving inconsistencies or conflicts that arise from handling inconsistent or conflicting data is a crucial task that requires careful attention. In an ideal scenario, this responsibility falls on the data preparation team, comprising data engineers, data scientists, and data analysts. However, depending on the organization's size, structure, and data management practices, this responsibility may be shared among various stakeholders or assigned to specific individuals. In a typical data preparation workflow, data engineers are responsible for designing and implementing the data integration and transformation processes. They develop and maintain the data pipelines, ensuring that data from various sources is correctly extracted, transformed, and loaded into the target system. As part of this process, they identify and resolve data inconsistencies and conflicts, such as mismatched data formats, missing values, or inconsistent categorization. Data scientists, on the other hand, focus on data analysis and modeling. They work closely with data engineers to ensure that the prepared data meets the requirements of their models and algorithms. In cases where inconsistencies or conflicts arise, data scientists may assist in resolving these issues by providing input on data quality, consistency, and relevance. Data analysts, who are responsible for data visualization and reporting, may also play a role in resolving inconsistencies or conflicts. They often work with the prepared data to create reports, dashboards, and visualizations, which can help identify data quality issues or inconsistencies. If they encounter inconsistencies or conflicts, they collaborate with data engineers and data scientists to resolve these issues. In addition to these roles, a data governance team or a data quality team may be responsible for overseeing the data preparation process and ensuring that data quality and consistency standards are met. These teams may establish data quality metrics, develop data validation rules, and implement data quality checks to identify and resolve inconsistencies or conflicts. In some organizations, a specific role, such as a data steward or data curator, may be responsible for ensuring the quality, accuracy, and consistency of the data. This individual may work closely with the data preparation team to identify and resolve data inconsistencies or conflicts, as well as develop and implement data quality improvement initiatives. Ultimately, resolving inconsistencies or conflicts during the data preparation process requires collaboration and communication among various stakeholders. Effective communication, clear roles and responsibilities, and established data quality standards can help ensure that these issues are identified and resolved efficiently, resulting in high-quality data that is ready for analysis and decision-making.